One of the main things we wanted to do when we came to Tassie, well, there's a couple. One was the bread fridge, one was the Belgrave distillery, but I reckon the main one is probably this place, and it's called the Lobster Shack. They do like a famous seafood chowder, and then they do like lobster burgers or lobster rolls. So very keen to try this. But next door there's also a distillery.
Hello.
So it'd be rude not to go there as well. Yeah, that looks amazing. You're gonna try the seafood chowder. So good. So good.
Oh my god. That is really good.
Look at that lobster. It's gonna live here, eh?
That seafood chowder is so hot, but it's so good. Alright. Let's have a look at this burger.
Get this chowder ever in.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so good. Yum! That is absolutely amazing. This is absolutely ridiculous. Not really.
Alright, we've made our way up to Binalong Bay. We made it a fair way up because we couldn't get a campsite at a few spots that we tried to, but definitely not complaining, because look at this. Amazing like white sand. So I think we're going to stay here for a couple of days, I think.
First 2 nights campsite.
First 2-nighter, we can just chill. Don't have to worry about any more of those hikes.
Yeah, mainly because we're just all the way in the top corner now, pretty much. So just because there were campsites that weren't free further down, I think it might be because of school holidays. So we sort of had to move further north quicker than we expected, I guess.
Yeah, so if we can ride out here tonight and tomorrow night, that'll be Saturday night tomorrow, and then Sunday everyone should be going home and back to school. So then we should have the whole coast to ourselves, hopefully.
Ideally, and this is that really squeaky sand, like it's really amazing white.
Go for a swim.
No way.
I was hooking up some toast this morning with a bit of Tasmanian honey again, so good. Another cracking morning here in Binalong Bay. This campground is Dora Point. We set the annex up yesterday only because we're going to be here for 2 days. Don't really need it up, but we know we wanted to dry it out because it got drenched in Bruny Island and we made an absolute mess of it. It was wet, and we had it around the wrong way and dragged it across the sand, so the whole interior was just covered in filth. So we spent about 45 minutes with a brush just trying to clean it. But let's have a look inside in our crib. Got to take the shoes off. And we've got the mats down, and we can just chill in here. We did have the cooker and stuff in here and the chairs, but because it's such a good day we've taken it outside, but this is our home.
We're going for a beach walk this morning.
Yeah.
This is the first morning that we're waking up with shorts and putting shorts on. So it's nice and warm.
Yeah, apparently it's 16 degrees today, but there's no way. It feels like 23, 24.
Yeah, the sun's so much hotter here. Look at the beach. It's so nice and secluded.
Alright, just stopped at St. Helens. Give the car a bit of a spray down because it was absolutely filth, covered in dust, and every time we tried to get anything out of the car you were just covered in crap. But this car wash has got $2 showers. So tomorrow's in there now having a rinse, and I'll have one next. We're trying to have a shower at least every 4 days, so today's day number 4 again. So just did a big shop at the IGA, got enough food for the next 4 or 5 days, so yeah, let's keep on moving. Tomorrow's cooking again. Cooking up some
It's a bit of a disaster looking right now.
barley inspired banana pancakes. There's mine. Haven't done much filming the last couple of days. We went to Bay of Fires yesterday. Heaps beautiful spot. Beaches and that are amazing. It was a bit busy, and plus it was only about 20 k's from where we were, so we wanted to move a bit further than that. bit too windy to get the drone up to get any good footage. So we ended up moving all the way down to Policeman's Point, which is a pretty cool spot as well. But it was still windy there, so couldn't get the drone up. But took a few shots with the GoPro, and now we're at a place called Little Blue Lake. So we're going to do a bit of a hike around here and then head probably further inland because we're struggling to find much to do like the far northeast coast. There's a few camp spots and stuff, but yeah, we want to try and get a bit further inland and do a few things and then head back up to north to Barnbougle after that. We moved from Policeman's Point because it was horrendous weather. It was 50-kilometre winds, rain, and we've come inland, did Little Blue Lake, and
we
now
literally packed up in 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Woke up, packed up.
Now we're in Derby, and look at the weather here. We found this little sports bar, having a couple of beers, overlooking the creek. Play a few games of pool, and then we'll keep moving.
Trying to work out our plans.
But we've definitely got away from the weather, so we thought today was going to be a bit of a bunker down day, but it's definitely not.
No. We are in a caravan park in Scottsdale as we've changed our plans now. Supposed to be staying at Barnbougle Thursday night for golf on Thursday, Friday, but now Friday has 30 mils of rain. So we've changed our accommodation to tomorrow night. So we thought that we'd stay somewhere close by. Oh, we're on the hunt for platypus. That wouldn't have surely been a platypus. Something's in there. Anyway, so we're in Scottsdale, which is in like town south. We've skipped the top northeast corner because there was not much there. And then yeah, we're gonna hang out here. Adam's got 3 days of golf ahead of him.
Yeah, that means we're gonna go to Barnbougle tomorrow instead of Thursday.
Instead of Thursday, Friday.
So I get to play Tuesday night, and then Wednesday, and then Thursday now.
Yeah, we're gonna go for a hike tomorrow morning, and then I'll probably go for a hike Wednesday if I can find one around, and then Thursday I have been told I'm on caddy and filming tee to tree duties, so that'll be interesting. Adam's gonna have to be on his best game ever.
That's what the whole trip boils down to, is this one day of filming.
Let's hope he doesn't play horribly.
Oh, I will. $2 cleaning the car yesterday. And then a few hours later did another 40 or 50 k's of dirt road. So that was a complete waste of $2. But
$4, wasn't it?
no, it was $2. I woke up in Scottsdale this morning, another great day weather-wise. Now we're doing, what's the height?
I don't know the pronunciation.
Mount Stronach summit. So 5 k's I think. Get that done and then we're off to Barnbougle. Yeah, this hike feels really quite easy, but it's definitely got some meat on the bone. Calves are blowing up now. How far in are we?
700 metres.
Shit. Made it. That was tough. It was just up. I don't know why we didn't think it was going to be up the whole way, considering we're summiting, but again, look at these views.
It's amazing. It's the perfect day for it too.
I might have to get the drone up now. Left the laundromat, done a load of washing, and those pants that Damara's holding out the window there, I need them dry for an hour's time because I need them for golf, and you can't tumble dry them, so a bit of thinking on the road, but she better not let go of them.
Oh, oh my god.
We've just had the last couple of days in Barnbougle. Haven't really done much filming apart from on the course, so you'll see that in a different channel. But now we're just at the caravan park down the road because I've got another tea time back at Barnbougle tomorrow at 8:10. So, We do, yeah. So Damara's coming out on the course with me tomorrow. She's going to do some filming and hopefully get some drone footage of the place as well, because it's an unbelievable place. I don't think the camera or anything will do it justice, as it probably hasn't with hardly anything we've recorded, but it's worth a try. But now we're just going to chill here, have a few beers at the beach, and Damara's going to do some reading.
Yep.
Another belter of a morning this morning. Coffee by the beach, not a breath of wind, but it's golf day.
Hacker swings clumsy down in Tassie green rough. Shank to the left, balls lost, can't get enough. Slice on the wind, balls long gone in the sway. Chunk up the fairway, another hack day. T2 tree, losing sight of the goal. 3-putt blunders, digging deep in the hole. Counting strokes lost on the way. Hacker's curse on the course, let's play. Fog rolls in, shadows stretch on the green. Eyes on the prize, but the vision ain't keen. Ball in the bunker, spirits start to sway. All in the game, a hacker's disarray. T2 tree, losing sight of it.
Bit of retail therapy after that round. Needed it. Need some memories. I just want to say I love my wife very much, because I managed to swindle 5 rounds of golf into this trip, And she spent the whole day filming that absolute disaster round. But yeah, I'm very thankful that I got to do that.
No worries.
And now she's making me a sanger.
Chip sandwich, and I got a hat.
And a hat, skull hat.
Had to buy it.
That course completely ate me up for breakfast. And now it's spat me out at this winery. So I'm happy about that. This is recommended to us by some friends, so hopefully get a nice tasting here and move on to the next one.